Hi, today we are going to name points on a coordinate grid. So our coordinate grid is right here. If you see, it looks like a graph. We have two axes. We have the x-axis, which is horizontal, and we have the y-axis, which is vertical. Now, when we name a point on a coordinate grid, we use an ordered pair. So for example, we would label this point here 10, 2, because our x or horizontal axis is a 10 and our vertical or y-axis is 2. The way we write that is 10, 2. So we always list the x-axis first, the horizontal one, and then we list the vertical axis. And a way to remember that is you go down the hall and up the stairs. When you go into a house, you don't walk into the house and go right up the stairs. You got to go down the hall first and then up the stairs. So 10, 2. Let's look at another one. This is here. If we go down the hall or down our x-axis, that's a 2. And up the stairs or y-axis, it's a 5. So our ordered pair is going to be 2, 5. Okay, so let's take a look at this ordered pair, 7, 11. We're going to go down to 7. Then we're going to go up to 11. And this is the point that the ordered pair 7, 11 identifies. Now let's try another one. Okay, so this ordered pair is 3, 8, and we're going to label it F. So we're going to go over to 3, up to 8, mark it, and just label it with an F. Now let's take a look at this point here, Z. If we go down our horizontal axis or x-axis, it's an 8. And our vertical axis, our y-axis, is a 5. So our ordered pair is going to be 8, 5. I'm going to write it like this, Z, 8, 5. Now it's your turn to try some. Good luck.